do you have like a solution for this spam
Got it.
um, notification? Because we were not even aware that our number is shown like likely as spam because
Yeah.
the dial pad never informed us about that. So it will be great to get these notifications and to see how we can solve this issue.
In our platform, we do provide you with an option where you can run a spam check on your phone number. So this takes time because we have done mapping with a lot of carriers out there. As a solution to this situation, we also give you the option to register your business with the phone numbers that we provide you. So this is a still shaken. This basically means registering your business with the phone number just so they're not coming as spam likely, because the carriers would know this phone number belongs to this particular entity, and they would never tag your phone number as spam likely. Other than that, if you want the name of your company to be showcased at the local caller ID, you can also register for CNAM. You also get like SMS option from A to B 10 DMC verification. We essentially provide you with an option to parallel dial people. So at the same time, you will be dialing five people, and someone who picks up your call first, we will connect you with that particular person. Now this saves you a lot of time, as it gets you a connect 5x faster than a average traditional dialing solution.
Yes, the platform is really great and it solves a lot of actually problems we currently have. We were searching for a solution like yours, and he sent me your details. Can we schedule another call for, let's say, next Tuesday with my SDR? Well, we will
Right.
already create an account and you will onboard him as well, and we will start testing.
Perfect.